Good day, grade 9. I'm Ma'am Angeles. For today, we're going to discuss the nature of the roots of quadratic equation. In the quadratic formula, x equals to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, the expression inside the radical symbol is called the discriminant. Hence, the expression b squared minus 4ac is called the discriminant, which determines the nature of roots of a quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus z is equal to 0. So, in the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus z is equal to 0, if yung b squared minus 4ac natin or the discriminant is equal to 0, so saktong 0 yung nakuha nating sagot, then the roots are real, rational, and equal. If the discriminant is greater than 0 and a perfect square, so ibig sabihin, kapag greater than 0, mas mataas o yung mga positive integers or positive numbers natin. And a perfect square, meaning may square root. Halimbawa nito yung 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So, nakuha natin yon kapag yung number, pinag-multiply natin by itself. Halimbawa, 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 times 10 is 100. So, yun yung mga number na merong perfect square or merong square root. Then, the roots are real, rational, and unequal. If the discriminant is greater than 0 but not a perfect square, so positive number siya pero wala siyang square root, then the roots are real, irrational, and unequal. And last, if the discriminant is less than 0. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung mga negative numbers natin. Basta negative yung sagot, the equation has no real roots. For example, if we have x squared plus 12x plus 36 equal to 0, so yung a, that is equivalent to 1, automatic yun, basta x squared lang given. B is equals to 12, and C is equals to 36. So, sa-substitute lang natin class yung value ng A, B, C. So, sa discriminant natin na b squared minus 4ac, yung a gagawin nating 1, b is 12, c is 36. So, yung b squared natin, that is 12 squared minus 4. Yung 4 kasama sa formula, so kinopya lang natin. Yung value ng a natin is 1 multiplied by c na 36. Okay, so 12 squared or 12 times 12, that is equals to 144. Then, negative 4 times 1, negative 4 times 36. So, the answer will become negative 144. Okay, so 144 minus 144. So, the answer is 0. Okay, so since yung discriminant natin is equal to 0, therefore, roots are real, rational, and equal. Then, for number 2, if we have x squared minus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0, so a natin is 1, b negative 3, c is equals to negative 18. Tignan nyo mabuti yung given kung may negative or positive sign. Kasi pag mali yung sign nyo dyan, magiging mali na yung solution nyo. Okay, so b squared, so we have negative 3 squared minus, okay, ulit copy yung 4, yung value ng a na 1, at yung value ng c na negative 18. Okay, then let's solve. Negative 3 times negative 3, okay, so negative times negative, that will become positive 9. Then negative 4 times 1, negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 18, so like sign din siya, magiging positive 72. Then add 9 plus 72, makukuha natin is 81. So, 81 is greater than 0. At bukod doon, it is a perfect square. Kasi 81 may square root siya. Square root ng 81 is 9. Because 9 times 9 is 81. So, therefore, roots are real, rational, and unequal. Then, for number 3, if we have x squared minus 7 is equal to 0. So, meron tayong nawawala dun sa given natin or dun sa quadratic term na inawawala dyan is yung linear term. May kulang dun sa quadratic equation natin. So, yung a natin is 1. Wala tayo, di ba, ang x. Yung number na may kasamang x lang. So, meaning, wala yung b. So, that is equals to 0. Okay, then c is equals to negative 7. Okay, so, since wala tayong b, so, yung magiging equation natin is 0 squared minus 4. So, yung value ulit ng a is 1. Yung c is negative 7. So, let's solve. 0 squared is 0. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. times negative 7. So, like sign, that will become positive 28. So, 0 plus 28, the answer is 28. So, since discriminant natin is greater than 0 but not a perfect square, positive numbers tayo, tas wala namang square root yung 28. So, therefore, roots are real, irrational or irrational, and unequal. Then, for number 4. So, if we have x squared plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0, a is equals to 1, b is equals to 4, and c is equals to 5. Okay, so, we have 4 squared minus 4 multiplied to 1 times 5. So, 4 times 4, kaya nakuha natin yung 16. Negative 4 times 1, that is negative 4 times positive 5. So, negative times positive, that will become negative 20. Then, solve. 16 minus 20. So, positive 16 minus 20. There are unlike signs. Magkaiba sila ng sign. So, subtract. Sundan yung sign na mas malaking number. Kaya, naging negative 4 yung sagot. Okay, so since the discriminant is less than 0, kasi negative siya, therefore, it has no real roots. Nakuha. So, ganun na yung gagawin nyo. So, now, answer activity 1, page 3 of your module. So, yung gagawin nyo doon, identify nyo lang kung ano yung exact na magiging sagot. Get a piece of paper, then solve. Okay, identify nyo kung ano yung nature of the roots niya. Babalikan niya, tinatawag nating nature of the roots. So, katabi ng final answer nyo, yung word na real, rational, equal. Ayan. Perfect square. Then, the roots are real, rational, and unequal. Kung greater than 0 but not a perfect square, ilalagay nyo lang sa tabi ng answer yung real, irrational, and unequal. At kapag less than 0, ilalagay nyo siyempre is yung negative numbers na sagot nyo, then ilalagay nyo has no real roots. Okay, that's for today. Okay, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Leilani Joy Angeles. Thank you!